You can go crazy if you have to deal with a lot of people and tasks at once, right? Not at all. There are a number of great and free tools that can help you manage a simple project. Most people should use Monday.com, which is real project management software that can run as fast or as slow as you want. As few steps as possible should be used to track projects. Add details without making things too hard. Our research team has used all of the new tools for managing projects that keep coming out. Monday.com will work for a wide range of business types and sizes. It's cheap, easy to set up, and has customer relationship management software built in. Monday is a great choice for a company that wants to put all of its work in one place. As projects get more complicated and you add more steps to your process, a project management tool can help everyone understand what's going on. This is especially true if the software has features for working together, so your team can stop using long email chains and Slack threads to talk about deliverables. There are a lot of simple project management tools that are either free to try or free forever. This gives you a chance to make a lot of money with little risk, so you should definitely take it. Number 1. Monday.com. The best for most. Monday.com is a very visual project management solution that helps teams surface the most important details every day. It's a simple, practical platform that allows teams to track their work no matter how they get it done. It's not going to add steps to your projects. In fact, Monday.com allows you to automate many of the repetitive tasks required to keep everything up to date. And you won't have to write a line of code to set up simple automations. It's no wonder more than 100,000 teams across a number of industries, including Hulu, NBC, Universal, and BBC Studios, already use it. Highly visual and intuitive, Monday.com lets you create workflows in a matter of minutes with tried and proven templates based on real-life teams. And there's no long and overly complicated training or onboarding process required for anyone on your team to start using it successfully. Your team can plan, track, and execute great work with tools like timelines, custom automations, data maps, task assignment, data-driven dashboards, and time trackers that are adjustable to time zones. That's a great benefit for remote and on-the-go workers. And there are plenty of integrations your team can take advantage of to make sure everything you need for your projects is gathered and accessible in one place. Monday.com breaks down their prices by number of seats. I recommend you visit their pricing page to look at each custom price point once you adjust the number of seats you think you'll need. Here's a breakdown of Monday.com's prices based on their 3-seat deal. Individual, free forever for up to 2 seats. Basic, $8 a seat per month billed annually. Standard, $10 a seat per month billed annually. Pro, $16 a seat per month billed annually. Enterprise, contact the team for more details. You can take Monday.com for a test drive with their individual free forever plan to get familiar with their tools and dashboards, which is great for a 1 or 2 person team. Here's how the rest of the tiers measure up. Basic, perfect for teams that want to start getting a handle of all their projects in one central place with a limit of 5 GB of storage. Standard, better for teams that want more control of their project views and that want to collaborate externally. Pro, best for teams that constantly manage complex workflows, need automations, and plenty of integrations to work successfully. Enterprise, do you need extra security, control, and advanced support for a large and growing team that manages complex projects? You'll want to contact its sales team for a personalized enterprise plan. Number 2. ClickUp, the best for remote project management. Once you land on ClickUp's homepage, you start to get a feel for how powerful the tool really is. 200,000 businesses use it to keep their projects in check, including Aon, Google, Nike, and Uber to name a few. For companies looking to manage remote work, ClickUp is a strong option. Everything employees need for their daily work fits in the platform. ClickUp offers you a world of endless project management capabilities, no matter the size of your team or the scope of the projects you tackle. Creating Gantt charts, spreadsheets, reminders, knowledge bases, custom statuses, recurring checklists, workload charts, and automations are only the tip of the iceberg of the tools it offers for streamlined project management. You won't have trouble getting remote employees up to speed with ClickUp. As long as your employees have a solid internet connection, there is a wealth of helpful resources at their fingertips. To onboard your team successfully, ClickUp provides plenty of use cases, quick start guides, on-demand demos, videos, and support articles in case you run into any bottlenecks, as well as online support from its support team. ClickUp's simplicity bleeds over to how it's priced too. Here's a look at each tier. Free plan. Unlimited, $5 per member per month. Business, $12 per member per month. Business Plus, $19 per member per month. Enterprise, contact sales for a personalized plan. These prices are available when you pay for the full year at once. If you choose to pay month by month, the prices increase by 33% to 40%. You can use the free Forever plan, which comes with 100 megabytes of storage, unlimited tasks, and unlimited members. And since you can add guests from outside your organization for free, it's perfect for those who want to start a freelance business or need to manage multiple clients. Or you can start with ClickUp's unlimited plan at $5 per member per month when you pay annually, or $9 per member when you pay month to month. The unlimited tier offers unlimited storage, integrations, and dashboards. You can add guests with permissions to your unlimited account. The $12 per member per month annual business plan, or $19 per member when paying month to month, is more appropriate for larger teams who need custom exporting features, advanced time tracking options, or private and protected views. The Business Plus tier costs $19 per member per month when paying annually, or $29 per member when paying monthly. It allows significant customization options, increased automation, and priority tech support for your team. If you're looking for a more robust plan, you'll have to contact sales to strike a deal regarding the Enterprise tier. We recommend you try the free trial for the tier you're interested in to get a feel for how well it works for you. If nothing else, a free plan you can use for various projects is also a great place to start if you're a small team. Number 3. Smartsheet, the best for marketing teams. If you're a marketing team looking to streamline your project management and increase productivity, Smartsheet is a cloud-based solution that helps you tackle it all with ease. You can gather, track, and execute all your creative projects with integrations to the Adobe Design Suite, share marketing templates, and create custom task forms. Smartsheet is designed to carry you all the way through from concept to execution with tools that enable you to see the progress of your team. You're also empowered to effectively manage a team with different skill sets and availability with its task assignment features. Smartsheet makes iterative projects manageable by enabling your team to give feedback, track workload progress, and collaborate on project details with plenty of templates that ease your team into a manageable workflow. And of course, it integrates with all your top marketing tools and apps like Marketo, Microsoft, Slack, Google Workspace, and more. Smartsheet offers members 4 pricing tiers, including a free option for individual users. Free, $0 for 1 user and up to 2 editors. Pro, $7 per user per month, billed annually, or $9 per user per month, billed monthly. Business, $25 per user per month, billed annually, or $32 per user per month billed. Enterprise, contact sales. The Pro tier offers a maximum of 10 users who can edit the sheets, but you can have an unlimited number of users who can only view the sheets. Set up an unlimited number of sheets with Smartsheet's Pro tier. The Business tier gives you an unlimited number of users who can edit sheets. You automatically receive an activity log, so you can track all changes made to sheets. You also can publish your sheets or dashboards, so those who aren't part of your Smartsheet account can see certain types of information. For starters, you can always take advantage of Smartsheet's free demo, or you can try them for free and start a 30-day trial here. Simple project management software that fits with your business goals and needs can help you easily turn chaos into an ordered plan you can follow. But project management can take on different shapes and sizes, which is why my top recommendation to manage just about any project successfully is without a doubt Monday.com. Keep things as clean and practical as possible with Monday. We recommend you take advantage of some of the free trials and demos to really get a feel for each tool that interests you before committing to a paid plan. That way you know you're getting the most out of an investment that's right for you.